How AI services are quietly reshaping the world in 2025. In 2025, artificial intelligence has moved beyond the hype circle. AI services are no longer buzzwords used only in tech circles. They're the invisible engines driving our everyday experiences. From personalized shopping assistants to background fraud detection systems in banking, AI has become as common as electricity, ever present, rarely noticed. What most people don't realize is how seamlessly AI integrates with daily routines. When your smart fridge recommends a grocery list or your email drafts itself, AI services are at work. And they're only getting smarter, more intuitive, and more deeply embedded. One of the biggest trends this year is the rise of micro-AI services, tiny purpose-built AI tools that do one job with high precision. Unlike general AI platforms, these micro-solutions live inside niche ecosystems. For example, AI voice filters now allow podcasters and YouTubers to fine-tune their voices in real time, adapting tone, emotion, and even regional accents. In fashion e-commerce, AI analyzes body shape from selfies and recommends outfits that fit perfectly. These microservices are not just efficient, they're becoming essential for creators, businesses, and consumers who demand speed and personalization. Another major shift: AI services are becoming decentralized and user-owned. With the Web3 integration, AI models can now run locally on personal devices, giving users full control over their data. No more uploading your life to the cloud just to use a grammar checker or design assistant. AI privacy startups are booming, offering subscription models where the AI lives on your device, learns only from you, and doesn't share data with anyone. This wave is empowering a new generation of digital minimalists and privacy-first users who want the power of AI without the trade-offs. Finally, 2025 is witnessing the AI as a friend revolution. Emotional intelligence is the new frontier. AI companions aren't just answering questions, they're becoming supportive entities in users' lives. Startups are building AI life coaches that check in daily, monitor your mood, help you set goals, and even guide you through anxiety. These aren't just chatbots, they're context-aware, emotionally responsive systems trained on mental health best practices. For many, AI has become not just a tool, but a companion, part productivity assistant, part emotional support. And this trend shows no signs of slowing down.